Meet Rufus, Wimbledon's most distinguished employee. With 16 glorious years of service under his wing. With remarkable 4K clarity at his disposal, he's always watching. And when he isn't, he's usually hobnobbing with the likes of Bradley, Beckham, Sampras, Murray, Federer, Djokovic, and the Queen, of course. Lucky fellow, you say? Not quite. You see, while you're enjoying Wimbledon on the telly, Rufus is busy chasing bird-brained pigeons. Shoo, you little flying rodent! See? You're the lucky one. So, watch Wimbledon from the best seats in the house, only on the Star Sports Network and Hotstar.